Come closer, come closer. Yeah, today I want us to discuss a new AI gem that I discovered. This AI gem can 100,000x your investment or my investment if say it come to pass. This AI gem could be maybe the next singularity. Who knows? No one knows. But today we are gonna find out what this gem is all about, and if say it is a good project to give a try, like to invest in, hold long term. If say you are new here, you are watching the Returns Crypto, yeah, I create content that will make you massive reward 5 to 10 years from now. The project that I create content about on my platform are projects that I invest in it myself. Cryptos that have potentials to 1000x, 100x, 10x, and so on and so forth. So if say such content interests you, then you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Let's dive right away to this amazing token, Chirpley. Chirpley is a social media influencer project. They are out there to help small influencers who have not got more subscribers or more following on social media, help them get deals, help them get audiences in their niche. So I think to an extent what they are doing is so amazing, like great. Now look at this, small influencers are not alone anymore. Chirpley is here for you guys, or is here for us. Look at the small influencers of this world. So much to give, so much to share, but so little help to make the most of it. I can attest to that because look, I create awesome content, but because my channel is small, I cannot reach out to more people. That's why I encourage you guys to like my content, share it, so that we can reach out to more people. We can bring in more people to learn more about crypto and how they can go about investing sustainably in good projects like this one. No one there to pave their way to success. Existing platforms lacking the technology to help them grow. Time to break down all barriers between them and the marketing community. I mean, guys, this is real. This is real. Small influencers are suffering. They don't have much deals because big guys don't go to them. They want to go to people who have, let's say, 100K, 30K, or 500K, or 1 million K, or you're following on Twitter or on YouTube, Facebook. So I think what these guys are doing is like unique in this space, because we have seen that influencer marketing, content creation is at the top. But if say you find it difficult to build a platform, get promotion, get deals, then you wouldn't want to keep doing it. That's why you see most people who start their YouTube channel, they end up giving up. But those who do it like passionately, they keep doing it regardless what they get from the platform. Like I do this passionately, so I don't look at the subscription, I look at the content. I know with time more people are going to come into crypto and more people are going to discover my content. So yeah, but again, what these guys are doing, I mean, is really amazing. I bought this token yesterday and immediately after that, boom, 30% to the upside. Well, I think right now the hype is getting more and more and more people coming on board, more influencers. I need to see all the influencers out there, all small influencers, small, YouTubers, small, whatever small you are, join this team. Let's help these guys build something that will help more small influencers out there, because this is good. Yeah, it's good. I love this. So looking at their Twitter page, you're gonna see that they have 42.6K followers alone, and I love that they are growing, immensely. And look at their engagement is amazing. And this token is launched on Bybit. Again, Bybit is one of the biggest exchange out there. So if you say you want to buy this token, go below this video, use my link to Bybit, and you get this token. You can also get it from PancakeSwap and Swap. Max Global also, have this token. But let's just go further so we can discuss more about this token, because I think they have something here that is really amazing. For example, they have staking. You can stake your token and earn rewards. There's awesome APY here, 38.29 APY. So I think this is really cool. They are not promising a huge or high APY. They have, like, this is reasonable to an extent. Not that when you see a new project, they want to give about 100,000 or 300,000 APY. So I think this is reasonable. The APY is reasonable enough, for a start. So I believe in what they are doing, and I want to trust and keep accumulating this token, because I believe it's gonna blow in no time. Now, guys, when you look at this token, you're gonna see that they have a circulating supply of 214 million, and they have a total supply of 100 billion. Right, then the max supply is 100 billion, and currently the price is 0.0058465, and they are at number 1932 in the crypto space. This is awesome. Now, when you look at the all-time low, right, you're gonna see that from the all-time low, this token is up 297%. That is almost 3x. Right? This is great. Now, when you look at the all-time high, you're going to see that it is down 76%, meaning there's still more upside to go before we start making higher highs, right? So I think to an extent right now, if say you have to buy this token, well, there's no good time to buy it than now, right? Look at where you can buy it from Bybit. As I mentioned, go below this video. When you use my link, you're gonna help this channel as well, and you're gonna get almost 5,000 bonus from Bybit if say you use my link. Mex Global, Baby Doge Swap, and Ape Swap. So these are the areas where you can go and buy. I think you can buy it from PancakeSwap as well. So if say you have PancakeSwap, you can go and buy this token here. They have an affiliate section where you can be part of it and earn some money, right? And I already earned $2.5. This is my referral link here. The referral link is found below this video. If you say you want to join the affiliate program, use my referral link to join the affiliate program. I think it's going to be cool. This is it, yeah, but I'm going to put it below this video so you can get it and start earning as well. And when you look at my social media page also, you're going to see that I've completed 2 deals. Our acceptance rate is 67% within 4 hours response. Then my current engagement is 3.4, likes 47, retweet 8, quote 1, replies 11, users profile clicks 15, URL link clicks 8, impression 2,000, almost 3,000. So this analytics is from their platform. So I think to an extent, they have something really cool here that you guys can look at, right? I think they are gonna be here for a long time. You can check them out, to get more details as to what they are doing, in this space. So this is the chart of Chirpley. Wow, look at the pump, guys. This is really, really crazy. Like, look at the moon. This is from the daily time frame. If I go to the 4 hours time frame, you're going to see that this token is mooning, and there's kind of like strong resistance here. Yeah, I think, well, let me not say strong resistance. It is forming a resistance here. And as of now, I think this token is still in an upside. But if, say, you want to wait a little bit to buy more, maybe there might be a pullback. It will be to this level, right? To this level. So these are the different zones that you can, look at if, say, you want to buy this token. But the next move is going to be, so I think this is going to be the next move at this level here. This level is gonna be the next move if, say, this token have to pump, so you can either decide to buy it. Like, if, say, you have for example $200, you can DCA. Even $50, you can buy $10. You can buy $20 right now. Then maybe if, say, it dip, you can buy more. Dip, you buy more, you buy more. So that's how you can go about accumulating more of this token. But if, say, I look at the monthly time frame, we're gonna see that this token is really in an upside. This is from Mex Global. It's in an upside. Look at this huge candle, and we can see this token 10x, 20x. If, say, the momentum keep building, and building. If you go to the lower time frame, you're going to see that it's moving sideways. The price didn't break this level. If, say, it would have broken this level here, this resistance here, then we would have seen higher highs. But right now, I think there's rejection here, and maybe we might go to touch the 200-day moving average. I don't know. But right now, it has touched the 50-day moving average. But if say it breaks the 50-day moving average, then we shall go right down to the 200-day moving average. But from what I'm seeing here, this 200-day moving average is still far away. It has to come closer. And if say it doesn't break out, then you guys can wait more to buy. But right now, this week have touched the 50-day moving average. I think it's a buy, right? It's a buy. But if not, then you can wait a little bit. Overall, guys, I think this is a good project. To an extent, they have a good community. I showed you guys how awesome they are, the tweet. Let me go back to the community so you can see how they are amazing. Like they keep tweeting. You can see stuff going on. And again, guys, if say you want to join this affiliate program, the links are found below this video. Make sure you use my link to join if say you do so. It's gonna help this platform reach out to more people. And again, you see I've made $2.58, and the minimum withdrawal here is about $50. So if say I make $50, then I can withdraw it through BUSD. I'll connect my wallet and get the withdrawal through BUSD. You guys can make money with this. You don't need to have money to make money. At times, you can follow simple steps, to make money in the crypto space with your following. So make sure you use my link below to register to this platform, and we both can enjoy the profits in the future. So this is it. I believe they have something here. They are here out there to help small influencers. And if say you are a small influencer, then you should join this amazing team. Let's help more influencers out there in this industry, in this creator industry. All right, guys, see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing is a way also to help this channel reach out to more people. Thumbs up and share this content with someone else out there. Bye-bye.